Wow. God stopped a huge flowing river so that the Israelites could walk through. There's nothing God can't do. God told them to remember this big moment in the future by each tribe picking up a big rock so that they could place it at the memorial of Gilgal, so that in the future they could look back and remember the God of the impossible.
And as the priest stepped into the river Jordan, a wonderful thing happened.
Isn't God amazing? We too need to write down, take photos, or remember the great things that God has done for us so that we can be confident in the future. If he did it once, he can do it again.
It was a permanent memorial. Joshua must have been ecstatic about the miracle.
One cool thing you can do is to make your own memorial rock, like this one right here. You just need a rock, obviously, some felt pens, and anything else you'd like to use to decorate your rock. Mine says trust, and it reminds me of the time I trusted God through my school year, and he helped me succeed at the end of the year, even though I had really hard school exams. I know God can do it for you as well. Bye guys!